Hello friends, welcome to Easily Delicious. Today I'm here with a quick snack recipe which is the garlic breadsticks. So let's get started with the recipe. Take 2 tablespoons butter in a bowl. The butter is in room temperature. Add 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon grated garlic, 1 teaspoon finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Our garlic butter is ready. Keep it aside and take the bread slices. We are using the white bread. I'm gonna trim the edges of the bread slices to remove the brown part. We are just trimming one pair of opposite edges like this. We are not trimming the other pair of opposite edges so that it should hold properly to get the sticks. Now we are cutting each bread slices like this. Yes, the breadsticks are ready. Now apply the garlic butter mix on both the sides of each breadsticks. Here I use salted butter. Otherwise, if you are using unsalted butter, you have to add some salt while preparing the garlic butter mix. Once it's done, either we can grill it in the microwave oven or grill it using tawa on gas stove. Our breadsticks are coated with garlic butter. Place it on a hot pan and toast it. Flip it over and toast both the sides. Make sure the flame is on low. Otherwise, chili flakes and other ingredients in the butter may burn and bread wouldn't be toasted well and we won't get the proper breadsticks. It's done. I'm taking it out of the pan. Our crunchy breadsticks are ready. Our quick snack garlic breadsticks are ready. Serve with tomato sauce or any other dips of your choice. Try out the recipe, enjoy the delicious, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.